EYEN stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Eyenovia, I appreciate the $4.09 and more so this beautiful bullish market. I mean, it all began here. This was like $2 when it was $2.11. Here's that proof. So that was very nice, like 6 days back. Ultimately, you know, because I was right here just looking to take it even more if there was a confirmation. The next day, I never even got the opportunity to wait for that confirmation because it just pumped up, man, like crazy. So what I'm going to do is just, now we're here. And this will only really make sense if there is some double break. And if I don't see it giving me that, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. Right? So that's where I'm at. Waiting for confirmations. And all I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just simply waiting. So if you do want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.